Imagine this. You wake up one morning, and for the first time in history, no one on Earth is sleepy. Ever again. No yawning, no snooze button, no staying up too late and regretting it. What would the world look like if humans didn't need sleep? Sleep takes up 1/3 of our lives. That means if you live to be 90, you spend about 30 years asleep, doing nothing. If we could suddenly remove sleep from the equation, that's like adding 30 more years of fully awake life. Sounds amazing, right? More time to watch Netflix, work on side hustles, or finally clean that closet you've been ignoring for months. But before we get too excited, let's explore what a sleepless world might really look like, step by step. At first, everyone would be thrilled. No more feeling groggy, no more coffee addiction, no more falling asleep in class or during boring Zoom meetings. Productivity would skyrocket. Night shift workers would no longer have to fight their body clocks. They'd just keep going. Restaurants, malls, and movie theaters would stay open 24/7 because there would always be customers. Cities would never sleep. And that phrase would actually mean something now. With 8 extra hours every day, the economy would change completely. Imagine schools running 2 shifts, one during the old daytime and one at nighttime. You could choose which one to attend. People could work 2 jobs without getting tired, so companies might even expect you to do more. Traffic jams? They'd spread out. No rush hour, because people could travel anytime. You could go grocery shopping at 3 a.m. and still find other people there buying snacks. But here's where it gets tricky. Sleep isn't just off time. It's when your brain cleans itself, stores memories, and repairs the body. If humans suddenly didn't need sleep, it would mean our brains found some other way to do all of that while we're awake. Maybe we'd experience tiny micro-repair moments during the day, like a computer running updates in the background. You'd never get bags under your eyes. No more crankiness from staying up late. And yes, no more Monday mornings where you feel like a zombie. But what about boredom? 8 extra hours every single day might feel amazing at first, but eventually, people would run out of things to do. Entertainment companies would have to pump out twice as much content to keep us occupied. Social media might become even more addictive, because now you could scroll endlessly without ever falling asleep. And think about relationships. People would have to learn to spend twice as much time together. That could be great, or it could be a nightmare. Here's the big twist. Humans might actually miss sleep. Not the tiredness part, but the dreaming. Dreams are a huge part of creativity and problem solving. Many great inventions and works of art came from dreams. Einstein's theory of relativity, the sewing machine needle design, even hit songs. Without dreams, human creativity might drop. We'd be productive, but maybe less inspired. Even worse, those peaceful moments of lying in bed, drifting away, might turn out to be something we emotionally need. Without them, life might feel like one long, never-ending day. So, a world without sleep will mean longer lives, more work, more fun, but also more pressure, less creativity, and maybe even more loneliness. Sleep isn't just wasted time. It's a reset button for the brain, a pause that makes the next day feel new. So, what do you think? Would you give up sleep if you could? Or do you secretly love a good nap? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed exploring this what if with me, hit the like button, share with a friend who stays up too late, and subscribe for more mind-bending science questions every